How to hide apps on Infinix SMART 8. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I do not have an Infinix SMART 8 device, but this is a Samsung device and the process is still the same. So if you want to remove or hide apps but don't want to uninstall it, what you can do is simply tap and hold the application you want to remove, and here you will see this bin icon remove, what that says remove. Simply tap on it and as you can see, the app is removed from the home screen. So yeah, this is the exact process that you will need to do to hide your app on your Infinix Smart 8 as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.